Hi everyone and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make a tiered cupcake stand. The first thing I did is I went over to the Dollar Tree and I got some plates that they sell. One is metallic and the other two are gold. I also got 3 Coke little glasses so that those could be the support between the plates. And you'll need super glue, hot glue gun, and then some gold spray paint that I did get at Michael's for $3. I also grabbed a ruler or a measuring tape and I tried to find the center as best as I could. I didn't really have a marker or anything, so I did have chalk and that helped me trace the center, and I hot glued then the glass onto the plate. I also forgot to mention I got super glue at the Dollar Tree as well as Twine to make it look prettier and keep everything together. After centering everything and gluing everything together, I think something I would have done is using E6000 so that the hot glue could stay there better, but at that time I didn't have E6000, so I just used hot glue. Then I spray painted everything gold, and I think I decided to just spray paint the top because I didn't want to ruin the gold from the layers below. I took the plastic out and this is the final product. This is where the cupcakes will go. I know that they don't look completely the same, but because I did buy doilies, they were gonna go on top of it, and then the cupcakes would also hide the imperfections. The final look is on the next video. I absolutely loved how it turned out, and thank you for watching.